thunderstorm today. It's been raining all day. I'm on my way to buy groceries, and all of a sudden this happened. I was like, what the hell, I can't see shit. Help me. And apparently some kind of superstorm going on right now. It's insane. Look at this dude right now. He's like, yo, what's up, mate? Where's the girl? I think. Like, I don't care. I'm gonna do my evening walk. No, man, that's dedication right there. That's pretty sweet. That's pretty good. All right, Willys coming up. I gotta go. It's crazy. Can't see anything. Can't drive in this weather. But I gotta turn. Got my indicator on. Always use your indicators, guys and girls. Yeah. Let me see if I can park this one hand like swag. Oh yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna get like soaked just by getting in here. All right, let me turn in here real quick. In this beautiful parking space. You know what? I'm the master of driving this beautiful car. I love my car. My fiance more, though. I'm just gonna say that in case something might happen. There we go. Turn it off. We're good. Just listen to that. It's insane. Insane. Wow, dude. Good thing my shit is waterproof. Alright, let's go. Let me take you into Willys. I'm gonna stop talking now because we're talking vlog style in a supermarket. Just make sure my keys don't fall out. Alright, let's go, guys and girls. Hey.
Hi.